Guys, ganito yung buhok ko pag hindi mo siya sinastyle. So, if you're going to bleach your hair, make sure that you do treatment. Hello! It's Lolly! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my Brazilian blowout treatment at home. If you want to know how to do it yourself, please keep on watching. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom. Alright, before we go to the process itself, what is Brazilian blowout? Well, Brazilian blowout is very similar, if not it's the same as a keratin treatment. So if you haven't seen my keratin treatment at home video, I'll be leaving the link on the information box up and also in the description box down below. So basically, it's a treatment for damaged hair as well as those unruly hair. So if you see that you keep on tying your hair up, it might be the time for you to get a treatment. So my hair was bleached recently. Bleaching really damages your hair, and when I saw my hair after the process, talagang sobrang sira na talaga ng hair ko. And so I know that I need treatment, but Brazilian blowouts offered in salons are very, very expensive. For the length of my hair na ganito kahaba, it's already 1,500. So how much more if your hair is longer? And of course, if the salon is a big salon, then most likely it's gonna be more expensive. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the products that I use for my Brazilian blowout at home and also the procedures that I do for this treatment. So again, it's just keratin treatment. They just used Brazilian blowout so that it would look nice and it would look a bit expensive, but it's still the same. The product that I use for this video is this EPSA. I think it's EPSA or EPSA, I don't know. EPSA Brazilian blowout keratin treatment. So they come in 3 bottles. 1 is the clarifying shampoo. 2 is the keratin treatment itself. 3 is the after treatment conditioner. EPSA Brazilian blowout kit is for 1,100 pesos. But if you order yours in Angel's Beauty box, I'll leave their Facebook page in the description box, and you mention my name, you're going to get a discount. Before we jump into the application, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you like my content. And also, click the bell button beside it so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's go to the application. First off is the clarifying shampoo. So this one, you're going to wash your hair twice using the clarifying shampoo. So what it does to the hair, it tries to remove the residues from your commercial shampoos and conditioner so that your hair is ready to receive the treatment. Just a heads up, if you're going to use clarifying shampoo on bleached hair with hair dye, be ready because your hair's gonna fade. Once you're done, blow dry your hair and you're ready for step number 2. Step number 2 is the keratin treatment itself. What you're going to do is you're just going to pump this product on a bowl, and using a brush, you're going to spread the product all over your hair. So what I usually do is I divide my hair into sections so that it's easier for me to apply the product. I work my way upward so that I get all the hair strands with treatment. You're going to let it sit for an hour. So once you're done, it's time to blow dry your hair. Again, do not rinse your hair. You're just going to blow dry it at once. So once it's all dried up, it's time to iron your hair. Just like when a hairstylist rebond hair. Very, very thin sections, like paper thin, and then just work your way upward and you are done. It says in the bottle that after ironing your hair, you're going to wash it off and go straight to step number 3, but I don't do that. And I think that's the advantage of doing it yourself, because you could wait for 3 days, leaving the treatment on your hair, and then on day number 3, it's time for your after treatment conditioner. And then you could blow dry it again and iron it, but in my case, I just blow dry it. And then this is how my hair looked like already. So this is already after a week or 2. So I've been using the after treatment conditioner for a while now, and it really, really changes the texture of my hair. So now it's not rough anymore. It seems like it's normal hair na. So I think that this is a better product than Verdon one, which I used before. And also, it comes in a bigger package, so that's why it has more product in it. So that's it. After doing this treatment, you could do it again after 2 months or whenever you think your hair needs it. They also say that your hair becomes a little bit straighter than before when you do this treatment. And now I'm really happy because I am able to style my hair better now that it's not really rough. I hope you like this video and I hope you learned something from it. Again, if you want to get your own product, you could get it from Angel's Beauty Box. So that's it. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, smile. There's always a reason to be happy. Bye!